Alright, here we have StormLockPicks versus the American 5200 Padlock. It's a government series 5200 used by the US military for a lot of things. This is the older model, so it's got the serrated key pins and the paracentric keyway. For the pick, we're going to be using this 6E. It's a hook pick. It's a little bit thicker than the 4E, but still sturdy. And then we have the 3U tension wrench I'm going to be using. This is quite a lot of flex in these tension wrenches, but they're really good for top tension. They fit right in most keyways. See if we can't get her open. There's a lot of serrations and spools in these old 5200s, but I guess that's what makes them fun. Good chance of getting a false set with them. There we have her open. We can open up the hasp. Alright, thanks for watching.